But let's see,
And all we
this
need
is a
to do
higher
is
time
get
frame
through
support
this
area,
here.
right? So if price is getting support, I'm gonna go for a long.
If we think the draw is lower, we want to see this fail, right? It just might be speed bumped. Like,
All right. What up? Good morning, everybody.
breakaway gaps above.
Also today we
Let
continue
me-
Breakaway gaps.
at 8. Usually at 8:30 we
Smoke
get to
screen
see
inversion.
a reversal
Smoke screen inversion.
with other pairs, but today at 8:30 we just continued the trend, and the reversal happened inside the London session. After that,
So
we had
currently
no major
short.
reversal, right? We just continued the trend.
Ooh, I don't know if we'll get down there.
So probably 9:30 will do a Judas,
I think we're gonna.
and that's what I saw. Like if 8:30 is not providing any clean Judas,
I'm gonna take it out right here at 249.
then
Those people
9:30
lows on ES, if
very
we really
likely
get going,
provides
would be
that.
559.75.
So
Let's
this
see.
here,
I'll
here
put
some
it.
higher
I'll put our
time frame
Asia
Judas for
low.
bias.
See if we get down there. 2 for 30.
One thing that I don't like on ES, that we are yet to hit this gap I showed you earlier.
SMT
See that?
inversion above macro
So
opening price.
if ES don't want to
Probably
tap
random tick
into
there.
the gap,
All
All
right,
right, so I'm on this eval. Let's see how we doing. Listening to two
Now
commentaries
all
here.
you need is patience and risk management. Okay.
What I'm expecting to see is a reversal around this area for our order block, or for our breaker, 1 hour order block around this area, but we have a lot of sell side. Down here we have Asia lows, previous, what was that, PM lows, or I mean AM lows, London lows, previous days, Asia lows. We have lots of sell side down here. Let me get YouTube going. So let me
So this is that 1 minute swing low you saw me draw.
I don't see
yesterday.
any inversion on higher
Or
time
last
frame
night.
yet that we can use for reversal to confirm the reversal. I would like to see like something,
I'll move my
some
stop
type
to
of
break
fair
even
value gap
here.
here on 5-minute chart at least. If we have like a confirmation of market structure shift on higher time frame, that's gonna be more reliable compared to if we see it on 1-minute chart already in a downtrend, right? So if we wanna take a reversal, the confirmation will have to come from the higher time
And then on top step, I got a couple positions right here.
I still don't see any fair value gap on
First TP
5-minute
almost
chart.
hit. And then I think this is way too low. I think we're gonna move it up to 30. Right here. 27. Yeah. 20.
Order
We also
filled.
closed
Okay,
below
there's
this
the first
inversion.
TP. It's moves out to break even. And yeah, 20 around 27. I think will be my last. Got a really terrible, like
So
a
we're
lot. I
violating
shorted
this
in
4-hour
discount,
period,
so
right?
just a really
That
bad.
was our last line of defense. Now order block. This whole area is our last line of defense. So
Okay, taking out the sell side.
You guys see
Take out the sell side. Oop.
now we are looking at 4-hour chart. Okay, price can come lower, get support
I
from the order
say
block,
for live.
still close the body above.
Took out the sell side here.
So we still have 46
There's that
minutes.
1 minute.
We're hitting the 4-hour breaker block. Let's see what type of reaction we get. I think I might take my position off right there,
It is
just to stay safe.
overzealous would be a great move, but
Order cancelled.
Just get a couple $100 on this
my
eval.
focus is really
I
on
want to watch for a reversal
50 macro.
around 9:30. We might come down and dig into this order block, so we'll
If they're
see.
closing the body above, next candle very likely will do the expansion. So we'll have to be just a little bit more patient. Did you guys, how many of you completely watched our yesterday's backtesting session? Let me know in the
I
chat
think we're
how many
gonna
of you finished the backtesting session.
Come down into. Let's see here. I want to see us take out Asia low right here, 235. So
So did
let's
you
see
guys
if that
notice
happens.
that we took only 9 trades in 2 weeks? So that was a lesson for me. Like now that month I never backtested it prior.
S&Ts are so
It was
powerful.
like the way I do it on thing like I've been seeing on my backtesting sessions as well. I take more trades on stream, and if I like don't take those trades, right?
Give up.
Now in backtesting session, do you see that we were like skipping all the high resistance candles?
So yes, I took one little
That's something
scalp.
that we
How
can
much
do
am I up? A couple
on
bucks
when we are streaming
on
live chart.
my Top Step
That's
X.
causing the main
We're
problem.
hitting. We just hit sell
Where you
side
will
right
see
here.
in high
15-minute
resistance.
BISI.
And in backtesting session, you will see no trades were taken in high resistance. We skipped all that, and we took every single
I still
one of
think
our
we're
trades
gonna
when price was moving,
potentially.
when it was in low
I
resistance.
think this might be a retracement
So
and
I'm
go
taking
lower
in
to
2
take
weeks,
out
I have
Asia
how many
lows.
days? How
This
many
red line right
days?
here, 235
5,
or
right?
234.
4, 4, 4, 8,
And then we see a
8
true
trading days.
reversal around
8
that area,
trading
around
days, I took
9:30.
9 trades. So in a day,
What was that I'm anticipating?
1, right?
So let's
So
zoom
we
out to
can
the
understand.
15-minute here.
Less is more. More is not.
So we got
more
one dig in
More
here.
is less in trading.
I'm looking for 2 digs. So another retracement up, and then so something like this.
That's why I do like these backtesting sessions for my mentorship students. It gives you a realistic idea of how to expect, what to expect from price. When
Potentially,
you go through a
that's
whole
what I'm
week.
looking at.
Our expectations are very unrealistic. We want to take like every single day we want to win, every single day we want to execute, and majority of the time
Maybe 9:30
consistent trading
retracement.
that makes money is not like this.
9:50
Once
macro.
in a
Around
while,
9:30.
the
Let's see
trading
if this
that makes
happens or
money,
not.
You set up for something, delivering us down
that trades every
They
day.
don't
That
deliver
person
us down.
trades every day.
there before.
So when market is moving in our favor, right? When market is delivering liquidity in low resistance, our model will work.
So let's
You
see
will
here.
everything clearly, very clearly on chart. And
So we
the
got
only
a couple minutes till
requirement for
sell
that is
side.
low resistance
I want to
distribution.
see.
High resistance, very unlikely that you will find consistency with any of the model.
So
And what is high and low resistance?
zoom out to
right?
the 15-minute.
When
We got a
this is
15-minute
basically
BISI right
low
here.
resistance.
I want to see what
When
price
we have
does around
last
this
candle,
BISI
price is not
on
struggling
ES.
to go towards the TOL. This is high resistance. See, this was our drawn liquidity, right? But
I think we're gonna
so
slice
many
through it.
more
We're
candles for
disrespecting
price
all the
to go
PD
higher,
rays.
US stop at and then come down. You'll see that's what we refer to as time distortion. If you cannot avoid this, like they happen in larger form. So this is 1 minute chart, right? That can do the same thing on hourly chart. And if you're failing to avoid this, that's 2 or 3 losses in that consolidation.
So we have accumulation here in this box. I think it's going to be
shorts.
manipulation. The next leg is going to be distribution. We're going to go
This
higher.
trade has a fair value gap.
I think we're going to reach 230,
But I wanted to see
2500 is probably the target for this week.
Just waiting for 9:30
Yeah,
open, guys.
stepped into the 50-minute gap. Okay, so
Anyone
probably
trade
very
yesterday?
likely
Bank
that
holiday?
you see price getting support. Let's take a look at our 50-minute chart. Here you can see fair value gap. That's where I wanted to see price stepping into. This looks pretty balanced to me, this area down here.
I personally did not.
And I have a last owner defense. Okay, so if this PDR violating, price will go down here. So as long
That
as
is drawing. How to what?
this consolidation
Okay,
area, like
so-
this time distortion is
Excuse me.
I think we're gonna go higher at New York session. So order block and this fair value gap is our last line of defense. And also what did I told
So we're
you
in a
on
4-hour
4-hour
breaker, a
chart.
huge 4-hour breaker, and a 1-hour order block is right here.
Wait for price to
So I want to
close
see
this
a
candle
reaction
body,
in this
right?
1-hour order block.
If they're closing it below, folks, I'm gonna go for a short. My whole narrative is gonna change if they're violating these two PDRs. Nine trades but price action was clean and quality was perfect on these trades.
So much sell side, so
I
I'm
would
going to be
like
careful
take
here.
3 trades
See
per
how
week,
much,
then 20 and lose account. Good work and good noticing, yes.
how much price side, how much sell side, how
Like
much
those
we
were
go
inside
lower.
mentorship. We did, I think, 10 back testing sessions so far. So in a month, you will see we are only taking 10, 15 trades, and that's what our strategy is offering. It's not gonna offer a trade every single day, right?
You have all the sell side down here.
So what
Might be
we
original
have to do,
consolidation
like,
down there.
not we have to identify the low probability situation, not engage on those
I
situations.
feel like time's moving
just
so slow
engage
right now. I just want
on
9:30
high
open.
probability situation.
I don't really
where
care about
we
what
are
happens
engaging
here, to be
in
honest.
investing session, right?
Unless they like bleed
So
it
that's
down a
what we're
little
gonna
more in these
do.
next 10 minutes. Engineer some more sell side.
Only
And
two
give us an
trades for
opportunity to get
from
in,
now
but-
on. 2 trades max at AM. If we are streaming at PM,
I don't
then
really care
2
about what they
trades
do here.
max. And that will
If they
force
violate
us
this
to, like, take
BISI or
quality sellers only.
Sibion, I'm sorry, BISI on
Took this off
ES,
the chart because I stole it for the BPR, but
then
Just
probably head
beautiful,
down
guys.
here.
We'll drop to
then
22, 24 at
Asia
open, then
lows.
bounce to 24.
Look at all these smooth lows. We might even go down there.
Or you were telling us we're gonna go below this low. Yeah,
Dang,
still
I
a lot
wish
of
I-
support.
I wish I would have held. It's okay.
Aiden has.
Let's
They
see here,
also
we
hold
don't
this
have a
short.
trade, but price is leaving some signatures here. Did you guys see that?
That is.
We
That's just in
have-
every
We
move.
generated enough trend line liquidity, right? And we also did a deeper retracement into the order block,
This is good. This is
still
good, though.
respecting the fair value cap.
Okay.
If they're like, if 930
Um,
is taking us lower, then we can't do anything.
Pain.
But if 930 is taking
Alright,
us
so
higher,
entered in this
if we can
macro.
just closing higher,
I'm gonna
then
see. I have a
we'll
feeling
be
that they're
bullish for
gonna
the rest of the AM session.
they're gonna take us
You
down,
guys should hear my dog.
and
They
then
should not shut up.
reverse around
What GMAC is saying
945.
also
I
possible
feel like
is
that's
telling us
the.
that a reversal is possible
And
from
21.
here.
That's a play.
TikTok.
We do have support.
Okay, so
I did a
News.
trade before that I
All
shared
done
in
for
the
today.
execution channel.
we got unemployment.
see.
You guys know at 8:30 tomorrow for you London folks. 2 a.m. 3:15,
Nice one.
3:30, 4:30. Wow.
From, I think it
Then
was
we had
more clear
9:45
on
news
15
tomorrow.
minutes.
Yeah, I think we're heading down to Asia
Reverse,
lows. Watch.
As new low of day.
Very nice observation. Wow.
See if it leaves
nice
us.
trade.
Leaves it for us. Excuse me.
With this inversion.
Then we're gonna sweep Asia lows, and then
Why did you
Let's see what-
execute it here?
let's see what happens in this order block.
What was your reason behind executing after seeing the stop hunt? We did a stop hunt, right? So you probably executed after we activated the order block.
Yeah,
If I
order.
was looking at this chart, so suppose I took a trade,
Then next week, do we have a
then
full week?
the way I will
Let's
do,
see.
I will execute at this candle.
I'm in a free trade with my Top Step X account.
and
try
then
to
try
pass
go
that.
lower. So
And try to
Yeah,
pass
execution
Full
this.
week next week. No red folder Monday. Tuesday CPI. Fun. Wednesday nothing. Thursday unemployment and 10 a.m.
Pass
I
this
have
300k
already,
accounts.
but N-Dog might
We got
want
4 of
some
them.
funding. Where do we have that gap? Where's my indicator?
Let's see here.
Where's our gaps today? Okay, so we do have a gap down here.
Yeah,
Do
give
we
the
get-
breakaway gap
is
video.
it field or
on
unfield?
rewatch.
Now that's gonna
It's basically just your
change the narrative if it's unfilled.
like here, right? If you have a
Yeah,
high probability
completely unfilled. We
inversion,
don't
this
have
is
any
above it.
pricing
Also, you
inside
have this
here.
inversion, right?
Right, so
You don't want to see that get filled.
let's see, folks. Okay, I still don't see a trade. If we are short, okay, 930 will come for stop. Look how much stop we have up here. So if we wanna go lower, right? If we wait for the Judas, I think we'll see the setup. So
Inversion here,
now that I see
right?
that
Macro inversion.
not end dog, what I'm gonna expect
As
at
that
930
is
price to
bleeding.
come a little bit higher, right? Do a Judas,
Grants River contest.
show us the Judas, and
We did
then
so. We have 9:30
that
open
very
in
likely will give us a
6
trade.
minutes. Kind of painful
That's
losses.
it. They're violating this gap on 4-hour
Continuation,
chart,
sell
right?
side, but now that I'm out of it, but we'll see if we get a setup at 9:30 with opening range or 9:50 macro. Whatever occurs, right? We're fluid.
But if they're activating this
We wait to see
breaker,
what
I think
structure
they're gonna go higher
develops.
because they will be closing these candles for the above. We have half
What
an
was
hour,
this orange
right?
box
They will be. They're so far they're respecting this order block.
Oh, the hourly busy.
So as long as this order block is holding us. And not
4
getting violated,
contracts
I think we're
on
bearish.
my
Let's see.
let's see here. Where are we at? 46.
If the 4 hour closes below the fair value gap, should we expect a retracement first when the next 4 hour bar open? Now, as long as you see this, there will be a retracement. A retracement will not come without stop. If
Thing
price
is,
is
I
not
finally
seeing
don't
it
feel bad
stop,
about
it's
this.
not
Yeah, I
gonna
would
be
have
a
chased a
move.
while
So,
back. Found it's a
we
progress.
do have
Stop
stop,
negative
right?
prior to trade.
And if
That
they're
is
closing it
more
below, that
important
will
after you learn
make the
technicals,
whole
not
scenario
negating the
for
fact that
us
you
to
need
get
to,
support,
you
the
know,
low probability.
know what you're looking
In our
for in
high
price
probability fair value gaps,
and
the
your
ones that
skill
get
set, your
supported
ability to
start a
reprice action.
trend,
But once you
they close
have
above
that
the fair
skill,
value
it's
gap,
really just
or at least they
self-management and patience,
respect the
right?
mean threshold. If
We're all
both
gonna
are
take
getting
losses;
violated,
they're
they're not
inevitable. But
closing above mean
it's
threshold,
how you
they're
act
violated,
after them.
they closed below,
Okay, you can even have a good
and they
idea of
cleared
what
the
price is
stop.
gonna
I
do,
think we're gonna go
but
lower.
it's
And
easier to lose all that logic and really focus on the skill set, reading price
first, that's gonna be
right after
very
a
likely
loss.
the 930s
Being
target.
emotional about it.
Okay,
That's
so
If they wanna continue going lower,
let's see how we do
930
here. Got
basis
6
order
minutes
block.
left. We hit
So
this
it's
1 hour
required
order block.
or
I want to see the reaction.
So look
I
at
think.
this chart, okay? Look at this
Right.
4 hour journal
Trust
it.
the work, trust the muscle
Very
memory. I was
likely
listening to
you
Mark Douglas this
experience
morning actually during my
a
workout,
power of
and
three.
he was talking about
It's very
like
important that you
we're using the analogy
observe
of
how
free
this
throws
candle
in
open, how
basketball.
they do stop hunt.
How if you have a professional basketball player and a
That's
free
the
throw,
most important
it's
part, how
just
they're
like
doing the stop hunts and
nothing
stuff.
to them, right? They have all the muscle memory from every free throw. If they're a
I think lower
80% free throw
duration
shooter, if
version
they miss
created
one
might
free
be
throw, they're just
Judas
gonna freak out
in that
that they
criteria
missed
setting.
one
So
number. Just gonna
the
trust the
Judas
work
will
they put in.
feel where
They
we
give a
are going,
shit
right?
the way they
We are
have since they
seeing
were
C can
kids and
destroy
all
at
the work they put
930,
in.
then
Right? It's the same with our trading.
we
You
can't
just
do
take one
anything, and
loss
that's
and just
also something that
freak
can
out and
happen.
avoid all logic. Right?
Alright, I predicted.
Price action.
We get ready to get into like 5 contracts on my
Judas to
on my
15-minute duration version. This one.
on
Now,
my
as I told you
eval
guys,
accounts.
order
So
block,
this
fair
BISI
value
is
gap, trending
holding.
to high probability inversion. If you outline it,
I'm gonna wait a little bit longer.
I think it will align with these order blocks, right? So that's last line of defense again, these order blocks. And let me put what I'm thinking.
I'm gonna wait for a second dig into this OB. So we got one dig into it. We're gonna retrace up. We're gonna dig in again.
Say like
This,
I'm
if
good
they're
on
doing
And
demo
take
this,
out
okay,
and or like
then
maybe
we see
Asia
the
buy
Judas
side,
line.
Asia sell
That's
side,
gonna be the Judas
and then
line.
wait for a long.
actually funded I can't get a payout. And he was also talking about this morning, Mark Douglas, when I was listening to his one of the
let's
speeches he was giving me or giving us. And he was using the analogy with like a kicker in football, how the kicker has
Here's
done
the
There's
first
also
dig.
a
I want to see this
4 hour
one
order
dig
block.
in.
career.
Yes,
Okay,
we
but
already
why does the other
outlined
team ice
that.
the kicker to try to get in his head? Just extend that time period so he gets the doubt in his head.
I'm gonna be just watchful. I'll probably enter on a breaker if I see something.
We don't have a week to the downside on the
A
daily.
breaker or an a breaker or an
Yeah.
inversion if I see something.
But obviously there are a few times.
It's gonna be lost now. It's real money. You're not focusing on the skill set. You're focusing
Yes,
on the
again,
outcome
that
because you know it's
4
real.
hour candle will
Right? When you just have to focus
give us the
trust
long-term
the work you
bias
put in. And it's easier said than done,
of
but
what
over
we are
time,
thinking. What
Got
we
a
are
SNT
thinking.
here.
have more and more confidence in yourself.
I see support on ES.
Yeah, I'll send
ES
the links there.
closing candles body above that 15-minute fair value gap.
90 seconds
See how it generated stop.
till 9:30 open.
More trend line liquidity means more stop. More smooth edges means stops. If they're expanding aggressively lower and they left these targets, right, they're not doing a Judas higher, then I'm gonna be bullish, okay folks, and I'm gonna be targeting these relative equal highs after 9:30.
My neighbor's dog's going crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear.
So I'm interested in a long if they're not clearing it out at 9:30 and doing a one-sided delivery to this sell side.
I like that we're getting support from this BISI, but it feels like that's just too short. Like this is original consolidation on the ES. It looks like this should be violated and go down
I think I
here.
hit the music button here. Yeah.
55.65. And this should be original consolidation here. So let's see what happens in open.
Years later, 9:30 open.
think we're gonna get Asia lows here.
Yeah, my bad, man. I'm pretty sure I checked that and it said it was on, so I don't know what was happening with it. I'll check again.
Alright, so there's open.
9:30.
He's open on my.
They're probably gonna do the
Let's
Judas. Wait
dance.
for it.
It is time to dance. Let's go, folks.
If we don't see the Judas, we can't do anything.
see if
folks.
they
Okay, we'll have to
Rip down
find
really
out the Judas
to
first.
those routes
where
below
it's
now,
happening.
or if they chop
And
and
if
or
it's setting
Judas
out
it
in
and
our
then go
favor,
lower.
then we have a trade. So far, we just went above this candle, this short-term high. Yeah, we're not gonna do the Judas.
Okay, look, ES is dumping.
The neighbor's dog is going crazy.
The heck?
Yes, did a deeper dive into the gap.
So ES is dumping. Okay,
So
ES
the
should take
balanced
down
sell
here the
side.
sell side at
Value on value, relative equal low. Other than that,
here.
hours
Okay, I do
before.
like seeing that. Let's see how low they take it.
Now here, if I zoom in a little bit more, you'll see a breaker.
ES 5559.
I don't like it.
All right, perfect. So we hit.
Bleeding out to the opening gap.
But if
Order
it's equal
filled.
to the
All right. Wow. So I got that on
Candle down, guys.
a top step
Or-
X.
That's it, that,
I
that,
think we're gonna take
that
out all the
dot,
sell side,
and
as
go.
it was unfilled,
and
right, as
let's
an
see
active
how
Solid move there.
we
So
react.
that gave like
So
solid
take
buy.
that sell side.
lower price action as
Let's see if we
entered.
take sell side in
Opportunity for
So you guys
reaction.
can see
at
how
After you open, but it's okay.
powerful they
ES.
are when they are unfilled, when they have no price.
Do
inside
Asia
them.
lows.
Couple other
Yeah,
units.
yeah, so much sell
They work
side.
like a magnet.
Asia lows, Asia lows.
I wish they provided a setup the way we are expecting, right?
Okay, now I'm looking for a reversal. After this dig, and we
both
take out
of
all
our
the sell
last
side.
resistance violated.
20, 22325 target hit.
Still no signature of a setup.
Let's see here.
No hesitation at
New
the
day opening
again,
gap.
now bleeding down
I see
into
him get
hourly.
support from here. We're right in this 4-hour breaker. Okay, take out all the sell side. And I think that's original consolidation of the sell
Hourly swing low there. Take
sell model, unless we take it all the way down here.
For SMT, do they have SMT? This is our 18 on top low. What's this?
So SMT here, I think. So if ES doesn't take out this low, and we show signs of a reversal here, potential.
We have a possible potential SMT go. Look at Dow. Also on ES, let me show it to
Okay, so
you.
I am curious to see what they do now.
So we
Just
took
for
out
Look at
time,
Dow
Asia.
on hourly charts.
Right at 9:30 open, they ripped that
These
sell
are
side
18
objective,
o'clock.
the route to equal lows.
Let's see
Low,
here. I want to see a second
what do
dig
you
though.
see?
This is like one
We
dig,
have to
Deal
go
highs.
into
retrace,
that low
and
on
another dig
ES.
lower to take out all the people who are longing right
Yeah.
here.
That
Right.
target, S&P did not. We have a 9:30 fair value gaps here on ES. These
So
two
possible
consecutive
chance
civvies
to
MDs.
see a SMT. Let's see if there is any reversal signal.
So we got SMT
They
here.
continued the trend lower since London, so no reversal at all at New York session. Very rarely we see that. We usually see like price doing a reversal that takes us to like London low, London high, stuff like
Here's
that.
SMT here.
I think they will fill this gap. They will take us to this internal sell side liquidity.
So if there's SMT here, we're under true open. We took out all this sell side. I think we should kind of get a reversal here. And let's see if this SMT hold. So this is down here.
It's a nasty move from Nasdaq, guys.
Yeah,
ES to
wish I
CP
held on to
rejected,
my
it's 930 fair value.
contract
chance
on,
of
on
entry.
NAS. I got a solid move on my Tops Up X
So
account.
today,
So main thing now
the
is
left
this
hold the
930 fair
stop,
value gap
right? And
and
they are aggressively
force the
doing
950
one stage
macro.
delivery. Dow moving the opposite. So scenario looks like A plus, but no setup. We are seeing low resistance. I think our SMT is still valid. Yes, our SMT is still valid. So see, we have a big fair value gap.
So let's see
If
what we
that
do
is
here.
getting violated, I think we can go for a reversal.
Alright, we took out all the sell side. I think we're gonna get support here from this new day opening gap. And I'm gonna look for something around here.
I think that's the
If
OT
we see
of
this
the range
big
as well on
inverse,
all
if we
the
see
charts.
this inverse, this big inverse within this OB,
Yes, we also tapped into the
let's see
OT of the
here.
range 0.6279. We have a SMT also from higher time frame, right? So let's wait.
So the
936.
inverse this, which this is what I suspected.
When I expect tries to turn this fair value gap into
If ES
inversion.
inverses this 930 fair value gap, I think we go for the highs.
Okay, let's see.
Right under the gap there is a daily liquidity void which will also provide a
As
week on the
weaker.
daily. I was looking for a short, but there was no entry for me. So what
Took
am
out
I
all the
missing
sell
on
side.
this chart? We have a
Filled the new
joint.
day opening gap. I'm sorry, regular
Start
trading
out
hours
there here.
gap. Filled that, and I'm waiting for an inverse of this.
So if we want
To
to
go
trade
long.
into this void, right? Sorry, that's a volume imbalance. That's not a void because we have wicks covering each other, right? So it's more like a volume imbalance when the area is like it has no price action, no wick, and a candle is like opening with a gap. That's when we refer to it as a liquidity void. The narrative is saying though this is just the name that changes. If I take this volume imbalance,
I kind of want to switch to the voice chat and see if we can get music. Since I'm waiting here to see what we get.
now I'm interested in a long
do that,
pulse.
see
I
if we
see
get
a lot
music.
of stop, and I
Switch to the
still
other
don't see a setup that will continue for me to take a short. So again, remember our backtesting
So-
session. I'm gonna do more for you guys, those backtesting sessions, so that it gives you a realistic idea of what to
Let's see
expect
here. I want to see this inverse
from price.
on ES and on NQ.
Right, so daily
I
volume
want to see
imbalance.
this inverse on ES.
Can we?
I want to see
Now
this
again, we have
inverse.
SMT, right? SMT, we tapped into this OTE, we tapped into the N dog.
Basically the order
So
block.
if
Let's
they're
see if we
turning
get a close
this
above. We got to close
value
above. Now I'm
to
going in
super
heavy.
long,
I think
probably
I
not
think
gonna
I
wait
might go
for
in like
price to
4
like
right
tap into
now.
this kind of
Just
balance.
one contract right now.
So
Now I'll
something
wait
like
for
this
I'll wait
interests me
for
a lot.
I'll wait for confirmation. We got this
That's too
OB.
much. QR is gonna be like somewhere here. Okay, so Nasdaq 4-hour chart, right? I think they're gonna respect this fair value gap. We have 21 minutes, and this candle is gonna close.
See no close above. I'm gonna wait for another dig down. That was just one swing low. I'm gonna wait for a break or another dig down. So let's see here. We got
3 minute has a fair value gap as well. Look at the week of the body respecting the swing low.
I'm bullish and looking for something here.
I wanna see some down close candles here. You know that will give me a stop loss. I don't see the down close candle that I see is down here. It's too far. I prefer to see them like close to inversions low. that's where I put my stop, and usually price respects that. Here I see only 1-1 to be honest, until like we go up here. So we're gonna do a small scalp, okay, not gonna be much. 1-1. And I think 1-1 is very realistic compared to, because I don't see any target here other after we complete offering liquidity up here, right?
Let's see if they have something's happening here. Let's
If
see.
setup appearing outside macro, you can demo trade it, okay?
Yeah, I think around
Previous daily full dealing range 0.5% getting support.
9:45.
Macro over, yes.
They're probably gonna
macro's
start
over.
reversing it.
Let's see what they do. It's still not an inversion though.
Hey, what up, Sergio? Sorry, just seeing the chat now.
In a trade like this, how many?
Okay, so
percent
ES
do you get? I'm
inversed
trying
it.
to adjust
I'm gonna go
away.
in for
What
one
do you
contract.
recommend? I have 50K account on Top Step.
There, let's
Trade
do-
like, what do you mean like trade like this?
Order filled.
Cool. Let's do that.
I didn't get your question. Are you asking like how much return?
Once this inverses on ES
I
on
see price
NQ.
reaching until here, so our stop, if price is offering this setup to us at 950, then like I'm a little bit confused about the stop. Usually what I prefer to see, okay,
Damn, got me too early.
a stop with inversion.
20,
Let me show
35.
you. When price is coming up,
Damn,
right,
30 points out. That's 600 points.
when they are respecting the CB, they form some down close candles. They violate them, turn them into a order block.
We're running
right?
into 5-minute CB right
And
here.
once they activate the inversion, I enter here at the next candle with a stop below these down close
And
candles.
let's see here, there's no. Okay, I need to see a
So,
5-minute close above
why am I saying
ES to
waiting for
see
these
a
down close candles? They give
CISD.
me a fixed stop loss.
And yeah,
This
an
scenario,
inversion
we
above
have the down close
this
candle, but a lot lower.
on NQ.
So in a trend, when we have opposing candle, that gives us a high probability stop, okay?
Will give me
Because though if those opposing candles are getting broken, they will work as breaker, right? They will send us lower.
this is all manipulation,
That's
so
why,
let's see here.
to
If
me,
we
that's
get
very
this
high
close
probability they
above.
work as last line of defense.
Let's see if we close
So
above
again, you
here.
can demonstrate it, take it into a
241.
channel account. I'm not gonna do it, okay? I only execute inside macro.
I'm waiting for
And my
3 more
journal, my
minutes.
statistics says that to stick with this. So if you wanna do it, that's a setup. We have internal. Where's my internal
So,
buy side? Anyway,
Just
that's
do
internal buy
4
side.
times.
We close a body, retest the candle. I think we'll go higher. So stop down here. Execute
Order filled.
Cool.
at the retest. They're
Alright,
doing the retest.
So I got a retest at
then in
around
that inside macro, I would have taken the
42. Oh damn, Phil was not as good as I
Demo it.
wanted to be. Should have been 1 minute. Okay.
It will offer minimum until up here.
So
that's
I
100
can.
ticks, not bad. See that? 1 to 6 are not
Then we're
bad.
gonna inverse that. And
Look
let's
at the
see.
support. It was so clean, so obvious.
Let's see how much the.
I just
Let's see what the range is. This is the
Now
current
we wanna
range.
see price activating the or break.
I mean, I want to see us
right?
go to
If
London
they're not activating
longs,
the breaker
London.
and
Oops.
forming a SMT,
I want to see it go to
then we
London.
deny a low probability.
London
We wanna
highs.
see no SMT up here.
Got SMT,
And
so
wanna
it's
see
looking pretty
speed
solid.
delivery and price activating
50%
these
is right
downwards
above
of
here, so I'm
those
gonna aim
candles
for
as a
first
breaker.
target
That's what I
at
wanna see.
284 is my first target. Right around here.
Expect
So
price
let's
to
take
expand
off.
higher. Stop coming below the inversion, okay?
Order working.
Let's put a stop below the inversion.
So if you wanna take it, I don't think like you need a partial in this trade. But again, if you wanna take something off, then 17 point or 20 points will be a level.
Let's see
for
here. I want to
partial.
see.
Now when I see price closing a body above, right?
And then my
If they're
final
not
TP will
doing
be
that, we
London.
don't have this up close candle as a breaker.
Actually, it'll
If they're doing
be.
it will mean an expansion. And
Yeah, let's Let's
Look at
target
that. I hope some of you
271.
took this trade, okay? For me, I'm gonna stick with my rules. It doesn't matter. I learned my lesson so many times. These once in a while the winning trades that we see outside macro.
Order working.
So let's do
take
that,
all.
and then let's move to stop
So
break even once
secure
we
a
hit
partial up here,
TP.
okay, and let's see if we can get it to R.
And let's
I
see here.
didn't enter manual. It doesn't matter if I enter or not. I'm not controlling your hand. My responsibility is to show you if a scenario
put a
is a low
stop below
probability,
here.
if it's a high probability. It depends on you if you wanna take it. Me, I just work as a commentary, you know. I'm gonna
Beautiful
follow
delivery.
my
I'm
rules.
expecting to see some speed up here.
Depends on you how wanna
Okay, so
follow it.
ES did take these
I told
highs.
you, okay, it's a trade I'm not gonna take. I'm gonna follow my rules, but I told you you can demo it, take it on your challenge account. It's a setup.
ES took these highs. I think I might.
So secure a partial, put your stop at break even, okay? We already moved, this trade already moved so much in our favor, so partial is must.
Order working.
This breaker must hold, okay? If they're not holding, then don't expect this inversion to hold.
Actually, hold on.
We are in a
Order cancelled.
Yeah, this is a breaker. So OB, I'm really liking this trade. They got an
this thing
SMT.
was so freaking obvious, to be honest. Like they formed a SMT on higher time frame,
And
so
this is a
clean.
breaker. I want to see this hold here. 1 minute breaker.
And also they turned this into an inversion, right? They got support from the new dog.
This is a
And
breaker.
that took us where the stops they left at 9:30, right? They were supposed to form a Judas up here. Usually they do. And that's why we were
Let's see
expecting to
here.
see a Judas up here. Never appeared. And look at that. They did an expansion, okay? Judas took a long time to form, but when it appeared, it went exactly where we were expecting prior 9:30. See that?
We do have this
Cool.
little
Alright, so
That's
still
why
in
the
this.
stop was safe
942,
at
that's best if that stays open.
break even.
Let's see here.
See, you are learning. You are
Perfect.
learning every
Breaker
day
is
from
still
$1
holding.
fall
the
now.
way
Think we're gonna
how
go up
it
here.
translates to you.
And
This is accumulation, manipulation,
Money will come,
distribution. So I
come
think
into your hand if you know how to trade,
584.
you know how to manage your
When did this start?
stuff.
So I think I'm gonna go
Follow
for
the
this.
Also,
Target
another thing that I told
36
you on
here.
4-hour chart. Okay, look how this candle
whenever
is
we have
closing. They do manipulation
this
at
aggressive
week.
expansion to sell side in this case, just direction expansion.
Let's see if we can get up there.
No, I never said it was low
Then at
probability.
9:30,
Ma.
we get that move down
Folks,
lower to
this
complete
trade was
objective.
not a low probability.
It's
It
really
was an
good for
A
a
plus
potential
trade.
setup if we have liquidity.
I
pools
don't
in the opposite
execute
direction
outside
of target.
macro. That's it. And I did a lot of backtesting this week. One thing I realized, like I also did another one with you all. One thing that I realized, the less I'm taking, less trades that I'm taking, the more money I'm
Because
making.
Discord didn't like that song.
And you can see the reflection on
Order working.
Get him one more contract here.
8% return in 2 weeks.
Pancakes
That's
the bot,
huge.
that
Order filled.
There you go.
pancake is fat.
And I'm gonna
That's how we
take
trade.
some in 4 cons, layering in on the breaker.
And you won't see we taking any trades. We did so far 10 backtesting sessions. Hours of content.
54.25.
You
Okay.
won't find us taking any setup outside
So
macro.
just pyramided in.
Next
Right, so
target,
if your
yes.
journalist telling
Let's
us
see if
to
we close
wait,
above this news fair value gap.
if more consistency is in trading macro, then what should you do? You should follow the rules, stick with the rules, right?
Alright, so there's
Again,
the.
they must not violate this.
I wanna see this
breaker,
breaker hold.
stop at break even, okay?
I don't like that
Remember
ES already
Makes
took
it like
this,
macro.
but I think this might be
we'll have to
second stage
take
distribution
this-
here.
This
PDA.
he fails here.
Why is our
If you are
stop at
gonna
break even?
recover and
Why are
continue to
why
buy
Hydra
side
are you
on
not
Nasdaq,
expecting support from this inversion? If they're violating 3 PDAs, okay, this is our last
maybe
line of
delivery
defense.
back down below macro opening price, reclaim
This
this
is our
50 and
first
then go
PDA
get
for
the highs.
Valley Gap. Second, and here comes the third one, okay?
Let's
Always
see here.
remember,
Alright, looking for
majority of
this
the time,
macro to.
inversion, breaker, order
this
But
block,
people read the
the
chat.
first
We
tap
sent like
that price
40
does
messages about how to turn
is
these
the
down.
highest probability support, this one. The second tap that that it does, majority of the
I
time
think
you
I'm
will
gonna
see
sell
retail are
another
entering
one
at
right up
that,
here.
and that's when
So here,
that
if
setup
we inverse
fails, okay?
this,
If you go through your losses, you will see that
I'll do
you are
269.
taking a loss from a breaker inversion. It was
That
because
would
you were
be,
entering at the retest, okay?
yeah, about 10 points. Take
This is the
scalp
high
there.
value retest. If you cannot do it here, don't do it at the retest because majority of the time you will see that failing.
Dang, I don't like that ES already took
You can use
this
them easy too, by the way.
this high.
All you gotta do is right click it.
So they offered a partial, right? Let's see if they respect the breaker. They violated the fair value gap already.
Alright, 950 macro.
Yep, perfect. I want to see this hold. I want to see this breaker hold. And
Look at this gap. They violated it, but they're still respecting the fair value gap, the breaker.
so we got a 5-minute inversion.
I like the way they generated these relative equal highs.
Let's see here.
Okay, we are inside our 950 macro now.
So we got a 5-minute
Let's see if we can see one
inversion.
opportunity.
We got a big
We are
5-minute.
retesting the 4-hour
uh,
order block. No, you cannot say we are retesting it as long as we don't have a closure at this
We got a
candle.
5 minutes busy on
As
ES.
long as
What's
we
ES coming
don't see
against?
how this candle is closing, we cannot say they are retesting it because that can smash
ES at
through
50%.
these
Okay.
PDAs, okay? So stop loss
Back
at
down to
18 and I hope
930
you guys
fair value
closed
gap.
it
Low macro open.
and let's see what they do right now.
Okay.
Last line of defense
Let
is
me
this
zoom out
one.
real quick, just to...
Okay, I want to see this breaker hold. If this
So the
breaker's
next
not
swing low in
holding,
the hourly
I want to
is
see
down
this
here at
5-minute inversion hold.
160.
So I don't want to see it
They
close.
violated the
Any
breaker
closes
already.
below
It's not really interested.
232. If I do, then I'm
They
out.
wanted to take us
Lot of
higher
sell side
above
here.
this, up at this internal buy side liquidity. I think they would have did it already. So when can you say that
Okay,
price
so
is
3
going
more
to
for the
take
minutes.
continuation
support
higher,
from
what
this
I
4-hour
would want to
order
see
block,
would be
right?
I don't
When
like
you
that
see
ES
this
already
candle is
took
closed,
this.
respect of this
and it is
930
closing
inversion
above,
fair value gap.
that's
see
when you
thus
can
far,
expect
these two
the next
candles
candle
were
Yeah,
to
respecting
the
be
C
SMT right there. I don't like
we're below
that.
macro opening price, then you want to see us
Let's
reclaim
see
this
what they
busy.
do here.
But let's see what this, how this busy holds on
Getting
ES.
support or something.
Getting some support there, and looking for this 5-minute inversion to hold on NQ.
ES.
Man, I should have
fair
taken a
value
partial
gap, we
there
need to get above.
at this high. I like that ES is.
We want to
Still
see
respecting
dollar
the midway. See
continue
that
to
we don't
fall.
have any closure below the mean threshold.
These
If
relative
this candle
lows,
closing above, I think we'll have a trade expecting
gold,
high
BPR,
targeting
engineer
this
buy
again.
side liquidity, close above,
So I
bounce
wanna see
highs.
some bullish candle. If not, if they're violating this midway, then they will take us lower.
And as always, it would be nice to see some sort of SMT during this macro.
SMT, where's SMT? Damn, look at that SMT, I missed it with ES. We have SMT with 851 high.
This is
On
a big
ES.
SMT here.
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that SMT.
So
So
where is the SMT?
because
This
of
is our
that,
851 high. And we do have a SMT up here. We also have a bullish SMT and a bearish SMT. Bullish one from higher time frame,
I want to see.
That's what,
bearish on
that's that scenario
lower
looking
time
at too,
frame.
man.
I'm gonna trust this bullish SMT on the higher time
We're
frame. This
expecting
is
turtle soup. Let's see.
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
gonna
turn it
wait.
on,
I
someone
still
again will
don't
say that's
see
too loud.
the setup.
No, we said how to turn off.
so. Let's see here. We got 1 more minute. I want to see this 5-minute busy. Inversion hold.
Let's see what they do. Probably
And
gonna
if
violate
it
this
doesn't, there we
inversion.
go. So
Sorry,
I see this is a
SMT.
5-minute inversion right here.
Yeah, I'll turn it back on in a sec.
I want to see that
Yes,
hold nicely.
So I wanna
Down
see
for a
how
sec.
they trade with into this fair value gap.
I think I'm gonna take a partial right
Expecting
here.
the mean threshold, right? So if they violate this fair value gap, I think we'll have a
Order working.
I'm gonna take a partial right there. I just don't like this PA.
so far
Take someone
respecting.
to say it's too loud.
Okay, I want to see this 5-minute hold. Couple seconds left. I need to see push up and a 5-minute
See if it takes less than 10 seconds.
busy here. 5-minute busy on ES hold. Okay, I don't like that. Hold. Okay, I'm
He's
just
pausing too.
there we go. I'm gonna see this
Matrix doesn't want us
inverse.
to listen to music. He wants us to be dead silent.
Nice one, guys.
SMT
Those who
rejection.
did the short prior news.
Has ES closed above? ES still no
Very
close
nice.
above this news
You're
fair value
respecting
gap.
this fair value gap.
948 highs.
I don't want to see that. I want to see a. Okay, we're coming against this 15-minute order block.
Last year,
This
okay, when we
30-minute
backtested
CB.
our last
But at the
election year,
moment, I can kind of argue both.
I
this
think
summer
I think I'm so
market
bullish. I'm so really bullish. I'm gonna hold it.
Confidence that we're going to deliver to
I'm so pretty confident in the this bullishness of it.
premium or bearish.
their trade if they're violating this fair value gap. Now, last election year it was so
Yeah,
clean.
remember, it's the day after a
June,
holiday.
July, especially we
Short week.
backtested June. You can go and see that how clean it was. We backtested July this weekend. Low resistance distribution
Okay, so
every
let's see.
day
Clear
AM
the structure
session,
and kind of get going.
and it's trash this election year. So I think we can go for a long. Here I'm gonna put a stop down here. Alright.
So these are anchored as you guys can see, but these two
And I wanna
consecutive
see
cities
price
now
closing a
now
body
to one.
above, expanding higher. That's what I wanna see.
Okay.
Let's see if that take us higher or
Still
lower.
bullish.
I see some relative equal highs. That's why I took a long.
So bullish.
These highs.
I think probably get some little time distortion right here, and then okay,
So
we got an
if you
SMT
haven't entered,
here.
wait for this one to close above. Okay,
Alright.
never closed above.
We got a small little
Still a
SMT.
mistake. I should have waited for this candle to close. Damn.
Oh no, I don't like that.
Yeah, I do wait. See, that was a silly freaking mistake. I should have waited, right? They never turned it into inversion.
5 minutes of holding. 1 hour OB. This is a 5-minute
Yeah, that's a common
CISD.
mistake that I do. I know I shouldn't do this.
We didn't really get like a lot of displacement above that. We did get a
Human, like I'm
FEG.
human like you,
Okay,
sometimes
I'm gonna
I
put
do
my
that.
stop down here. Might be like $2,000 stop, but that's when
Yeah,
I'll
you are
manually
seeing me
close it
trading
out.
every
But I
day,
feel
okay?
like
I'm not gonna be perfect
this
to every
5-minute
single day.
CISD
I'm
is
not
really
professional
bullish,
trading where you'll see
so
me perfect.
I'm actually
Like,
gonna
it's
layer.
strictly
Should I
every-
layer
try
in?
my
No,
best.
I'm not gonna
Sometimes
put it in.
emotion gets me, and
I
these
think we're
rules
still
are
gonna go
to
up.
be
I
followed.
think
They
I'm gonna
give
be
precision.
patient
See that
and
we never
wait
closed.
and go for that.
And the precision more high probability, it becomes more high probability when we
I'm
close
still
above.
seeing.
When we
I think we
violate
might
the
chop
fair value
around, but
until
this
we
is a
see
big
that
5-minute
we go based on the
CISD
manipulation.
within a 4-hour
There's nothing I see
breaker
because
and a 1-hour order
I
block.
need more information. If I'm ever just silent, I
I'm
essentially just need more
pretty
information.
This 4 hour is
sure
like
we're
doing
still
all that
bullish.
stuff.
It sounds like a broken
Okay,
record.
let's see here if we
Now wait, okay,
I wanna see
we are
the
still
CE
inside
close
macro. If
above
you're coming up,
in 2
closing a
minutes
body
this
above, I think
hourly
we're gonna
CE
go
and this
higher.
hourly order block.
Wait for this candle to close.
Again, for the long,
If we
you
s-
want to see if we can
respect this in
reverse
2 minutes
recap
here,
this busy.
we're at CE, that's a really good sign. Hourly order block. See here, got 1 minute left. Let's see.
Are they not gonna move today, or what? They're doing same stuff as we saw last couple of weeks. Less volume, more high resistance. And in
And
1 minute chart, it's looking like they're gonna do high
Awesome elite
resistance,
trader.
right?
Glad to hear that.
Why
That's not
these
what I
summer
wanna see. I wanna
months
see
are
this
like
order
this?
block
I think
hold.
PMs are more clean, right? These weeks.
we just tail souped all that.
4
We
hour
souped
closing.
all this.
Next candle will give us the bias. See, it's closing below. So they violated our bullish PDRAs, right? Our last line of defense. I think they're gonna continue going lower. They're
It met that
expecting.
clear as day
Here is
sell side
the,
objective that
so-
we were watching in the first half of the stream.
So
Before 9:30 open, leading into 9:30 open. I I guess at 9:30 open, right? We came down and swept it. Came up, ran some internal highs, and like I said, I need some more information. I'm scared to turn on the music. I don't want to ruin someone's day.
See here, we
So
got
we'll figure out the music thing another time. I'll try to find a bot that plays it that isn't by default just max volume to try to ruin your ears.
okay. So we closed kind of at CE of that OB, so
What do I think of this
that's a
944
good
candle
sign.
as an inversion? Well, they have SMT.
That's a good
I was
sign.
not expecting this SMT to hold.
Yeah, I'm
the
expecting
that
this
comes
SMT
with
to
really
break.
technical high fails. So I was not really
And
interested into a short. That was B to me for a
I'm
short.
not gonna short right here. That's ridiculous. Only shooting longs. So
So what I'm
we got
gonna
this
do,
5-minute
right,
OB.
let's see
So
if the chart
holding.
goes into
I want to
inversion.
see
If
bodies
not,
respecting
then very likely this candle will go lower. They violated the fair value gap, the order blocks,
the
both
CE of
of
this
these
CE of this 5-minute order block.
I'm gonna wait, folks. Okay, see that I made a silly mistake. I shouldn't have taken this trade. It was avoidable. So let's wait.
Patience, patience, patience.
All right, look, this 4 hour candle probably will do an expansion lower. So tape read this scenario. We're coming with the SMT as well. I'm gonna wait a little bit more for entry. So the SMT worked. This one.
Okay,
This
this
one's
guy's
very
got
likely gonna work out because you can see that
this.
for new 4 hour candle doing the expansion. So minimum, I think they will take us down here at least.
So you guys see how
I'm not gonna
I believe-
execute, as you know, one.
Yeah, I should have waited for the second dig into it. I'm still bullish for sure.
decisions,
I think I'm still bullish.
on the calendar, he had that
Break rules, folks.
retracement
You gotta
right
follow the
before
rules, you
news,
know.
or right at news. And I believe it was
That
just
was,
1 minute.
the long was
CB, if
never
not, I
here,
apologize, but I
where
remember
I
him
pushed
saying
better.
the
It was more high
criteria in
quality
terms
for
of just
short,
price was
and
there,
see,
but
I
the
outlined
news he
it,
didn't want to
probably
enter.
it will
Right
work
then on
out,
the
so
retracement, it came all the way up to the high. So why would he enter
you wanna
short
see this
here?
candle
with,
coming lower, going below this
the
previous 4
relatively
hour
equal
candle,
highs, right? And then we chopped around,
and
obviously,
this volume
to
imbalance
lift the
from
buy
4
side.
hour
I'm
chart.
pretty sure he said his target was somewhere all the way down
So
here
it
at
was
the
on
external, so
daily
he
charts.
avoided a loss
Yes,
here.
this one.
So this might just chop around this 5-minute OB.
No,
This
that's
5 minutes.
typically.
Yeah, I want to see some displacement
They are
higher,
chopping, okay, so it's best
and then I'm expecting
that
for
you
this
wait for a
SMT to
setup,
break.
okay?
It stops down
more
here.
less trades means more profit, folks, okay? So don't execute. See, I'm not doing anything. I made a mistake. I'm
So
gonna
I'm
stop
in
myself.
4 contracts. Let's
I'm
put
gonna
a
wait
20
from
right
them
here.
for them
Go back
to
to hourly
get
biscuit.
out of this
Okay,
chop
obviously
zone
we closed below the 930 fair
and
value
then
gap.
look for a setup. Now you'll have to
Again,
see the
I can throw
statistics
kind
from
of
the
argue
last
both
couple of
directions.
trades.
Order working.
I'm
They
just
were
gonna
chopping a lot at
Let's
these
zoom out for a
hours,
bit.
right?
Whenever I feel
Especially
like
10 to
I
11.
can do that, I'd like to zoom out.
This
So
month they chopped a lot. So when I outline a setup, and if it's a low probability, I will tell you to tape read. If I set up this high probability but I'm not taking, I'll tell you to
So
do a demo.
I got in probably too early,
This one is for tape reading.
let's zoom out to the 2 minute.
but this might be like a $4,000 or $5,000
And
loss.
why did I outline the
this.
setup here? This candle, when it closed below, they activated
So let's see
these
if
up close candles as an order block.
we got a big SMC here.
So the PDA that gave me the signal for a short is this bearish order block from here. And
gonna
the
wait it
narrative
out.
came from
I'm
this
gonna wait it
value
out.
gap with the SMT.
Yes, we still have all
Also,
these
folks,
clean
I told
lows.
you our concept not gonna work when we are in high resistance.
Yeah, yes, still have these lows. Should I get out now?
New hourly candle.
Dang, I think we might be going lower. Got a big wick. I think I'm gonna cut my losses here.
Still chopping, right?
Yeah, they're gonna cut my losses.
Come on, give me a move before I have to go.
If they're going below this slope, manager stop.
Same thing, guys. I want to see if ES.
We don't
You
want
really
to
want to
see
see a
like
step
price
one. If you can get
retesting.
above
Yeah.
this
this.
Order cancelled.
I'm exiting. $2,000 loss.
Climb the ladder.
This candle
close above
probably
the
will
fair
take us
value.
down
So-
here. And we'll do complete the expansion.
I'm gonna wait for a second
That
breaker.
here
So
this
once we
SMT,
go,
right?
below, that will be
Previous hourly candles lower the target. Delivered 7 points so far.
got lots of sell side up here. We took sell side, and I don't know. I might have gotten out a little early.
This is a very nice example of high resistance. See, that came so
So-
close to this low, right? And the difference is only a couple of ticks, and they are not taking us down here.
ES is not
This
going
is what
down.
high resistance.
No big, no sound. Alright, we'll go back for the last little bit here before I get off. Let's go back to the live stream so everyone can get in. We won't do this voice chatting while it's still on.
They
Hold on,
closed the
switch
body
guys.
below,
Last time,
right?
apologize.
I think they will go lower. They activated another. Now this is a propulsion block, okay? Now I don't see like refer to them as a propulsion block. I use them as an order block. The name doesn't change the narrative, but the
Okay,
upclose
so
candle
still
that
just
trades
waiting.
into a previous upclose
Um,
candle, that's a propulsion block. If the name makes you confused, right, like me, then just refer to them as order block.
Yeah, I'm glad I got
We
out
have
there.
the
That
same
was a
narrative. So
smart
this was more
move.
high probability. I freaking wish I haven't violated my rules here.
Oops.
Otherwise, I would have executed here and took this trade. Silly mistake, folks.
So took a loss on there,
Gave a partial, so
but
50% of the range, right?
let's see
Look at higher
here.
time frame. This remember that 4-hour candle gave the
think
narrative.
we're
I
heading
was
back
like
down.
literally, I wish I followed my rules. I was literally telling you guys that wait for this 4-hour candle to close, preaching about it, and I didn't follow.
As for our candle close, let's see
Do you
here.
guys
We're
learn from my
currently
mistake? I hope you do, because
within this
these are the
range.
mistakes that we
I
all
think
make,
we
right?
might sweep this, and then that's when I'll long here.
And very obvious if you are not
Within this
following
4-hour
the
order
pattern,
block.
that-
For our breaker.
Secure partial, put your stop at break even if you are in this trade and share your execution.
Pretty sure.
I messed it up. I hope you didn't. I hope you took this trade, right? Share your execution. Let me see it. Offered a partial coming for our TP.
Yeah,
and it
I'm
was
glad
so
I got out
obvious
there.
with this
So
SMT as well.
I think that's a soup entry. So I think I'm gonna buy
And there you go.
2
That was
contracts
a
there.
how many ticks?
SMT, I like that.
Order working. Order filled.
We outlined
Boom.
3 trades
Okay,
today, right?
so
One gave a partial. This one is here I fucked up, and here this one is provided a full TP. So very nice. Put your stop at break even. Okay, I'll close it. They provided already 3R. Sorry, 2R. Stop was up here.
So we got a little soup entry there. Let's see how much lower we get. My validation point will be have these lows. Ooh, I don't like that. Hold on, that's 99,
Bad trading.
75, about 15 points.
You refer to this as bad trading. As an operator, I fucked it up here, but I gave you a very nice narrative, A plus narrative, guided you through the higher time frame, what to expect and what not. You cannot say like the analysis was bad. I performed bad, so trading not bad. Me as an operator, I
Dang, am I getting
was
stuck on
simple,
longs
right?
here? They might just be getting stuck on longs.
How many of you closed in profit? Only one? Only one person? It's okay, we'll wait for another setup. I think majority of you didn't take this, right?
Thursday was high of week in London,
So we'll wait. If you did, share your execution. Let me
so we
see.
might be
Okay?
retracing for
Let me see how many of you
Friday
participated.
and
One
man,
did,
that's a breaker now.
stop,
That's a bad
troubleshoot
entry.
here. Very nice. Who's that? Our trader. Very nice. Short.
Okay, I think I'm in the wrong. I think we're going down and
Look at this one.
yeah.
Very nice.
Okay.
Short. Closure. Mitigated the loss that we took now, right? So see that it all comes down to patience, folks.
Yep, I'm in the wrong. I'm
Sometimes
gonna
I'm not so
get out
good
here.
at patience.
Order filled.
Dang it. Get down to
But it's
2K.
still okay. See, I know that where I made mistake and I'm accepting it. I'm not jumping.
This is a
into the
breaker right
trade
here.
right after that,
200.
right? So if
Order working.
Sorry, this volume
Man.
balance.
Yeah. So I
Previous
think
daily low.
we're gonna head lower to this sell side right here. I think I might jump in right here. See if we get a retrace.
Order working.
Very likely previous daily low gonna be the target.
Order filled.
Get
I
there.
took a long from this inversion.
160.
Yes, he closed it here. And then a short. This short was very, very appealing.
Order working.
Probably they're coming for this previous daily low, but first we'll have to now if you see a week like this, folks, okay,
27.
don't expect price to like smash through the week. Majority of the time price will at least show a reaction at consequent encroachment of the weeks, okay? So let's see if price
Dang,
does
there's
anything.
more
If
contracts
not,
in.
then previous daily low is the target. There was a guy who like first told me about that new day opening gap. So very, very nice observation. Kudos to you. That gave us the narrative to like look for only short. And then this SMT appeared and we continue going lower.
This is really bad habits, chasing entries, not really wanting to do that, but let's see.
Order working.
I would have taken the short if I didn't fuck it up here. Now,
127.
there's a rule that you guys already know. I'm not gonna take more than one entry inside one macro, because you never know if price is gonna continue doing chop, doing seek and destroy. It will continue going lower. If I didn't fuck it up here, then that was such an obvious short. Our last line of defense got violated. This inversion got violated. SMT
Okay,
appeared.
let's see here. We got a bunch of. Ooh, yes, just took out all these shorts.
Drop and now offering more than 2 hours.
Dang it.
Order cancelled.
It's okay. It's not hurting me at all. For me, if I'm sticking with my rules,
Order working.
that's a W there for me.
Order working.
My
Cannot
profits
judge
there.
yourself by
Gosh, dang it.
looking at only one trading day. We'll have to look at 30, 60 trading days.
Swept.
If you're not
We got
performing
SMT. We're swept here.
well overall, you will not be consistently profitable, right?
We just swept these lows. Where am I at here? Wow, we got big. So this SMT is not holding. So we got. Did we sweep that? I think we swept this. Okay, and let's see if we can get a. Where is this at? This is right here. Nope, no SMT. So we sweep this. Let's see, hopefully that's an order block. We just continue dumping. Take some profits here. Okay, I think we're dumping. Move it down here. Previous day low. Just gonna hold on to it. Trying to make up my profits. My losses, I mean. Delete that. Delete the SMT. Oh man. Okay, well, I was wrong on my bias. Sad.
Also, if you notice, Dow is moving opposite, completely opposite to what we are expecting, right? And what did I taught you so far? Low resistance distribution. Our setup will appear. Our concept will work 90% of the time when Dow is moving opposite. See the correlation? Always remember that. This will help you long term so much that you cannot imagine. This will help you to understand if it's a day for you to engage or to avoid. Previous couple of days we saw price moving with Dow, and we saw so much high resistance distribution. Today,
You know what? I'm gonna hold for
low
low day.
resistance
I
distribution,
think
right?
we're going there.
And it appeared because Dow was working as an inverse pair. Always remember that Dow
Interesting.
is your dollar chart. You don't need to look at dollar to know if it's a low probability or a high probability trading session.
Alright.
Dow will give you
Let's
more
see
high
it.
probability
I'm
narrative.
at stop at break even
There
right
was a
above that
SMT
order
Dow
block.
continued pushing higher. They
I want to
continue
see
go from
us take out
see the
that
signature of low resistance. I
this
think 1020
low
will
of
provide us something.
what
Look
day
at
is
this
this?
shallow
Oh,
drop.
that's a big SMT. So if we
Right,
take out
we're
this
gonna
low
be
day, previous
tapping into
low,
the previous daily low, and
take
also
that out.
inside this gap. So now, okay, now you will be measuring the gap,
Good luck today, guys.
and
I'll
you will
talk
be
to everyone
expecting
soon.
a reversal from here at PM, I think. And very likely not gonna do that. And very likely gonna continue going lower. Okay, very likely PM's gonna do that. So
Yeah, look for reverse on
I
PM.
think, okay, from my experience, what I saw for last 3 years on chart, I think price is just gonna chop right now. After a distributions like this, okay, after like there was no high resistance. See that after.
Okay, let's see if we get it.
So here's a jam. After 9:30, if we are not doing any time
Oh
distortion,
man,
we will do that
bias
again.
is wrong.
Then after 11, we just chop, you know.
1 minute order block
That's also
failed.
something
1 minute
funny
order
for
block.
us to see.
1 hour order block
We can
failed.
chop. We can stay inside this fair value gap and chop, and we can get out of the chop at PM session very likely. Dow and ES should be inverse for us to get a smooth run. No.
Well, hopefully you guys didn't
ES
follow me on that.
and Nasdaq should move together, and ES.
Here we
So
go.
ES
Get
and
these.
Nasdaq should move together, and Dow should move opposite to ES and Nasdaq. So completely opposite. Your chart from today is the example of the high probability scenario.
This purge is previously a low.
Yes, look at this daily chart. That's why I'm showing you the higher time frame now. The narrative always comes from the higher time frame, right? And that's why we are keeping an eye on this chart. Now, folks, we already outlined how many trades? 3. Let's see if we can take one last trade.
Nice. I'm gonna make up for my losses, but dang.
Current 15 minutes on ES and Q is a plus SMT Barclays.
Dang, I just want to sell some more.
Let's wait Barclays, okay? Still no confirmation for that SMT to reverse, to hold, right? And we are not gonna be, now this is where we are gonna be looking for a SMT. Yes, those who secure some profit, share your execution. I hope some of you did.
Order filled.
Damn, so many of you took
Order
it.
cancelled.
I thought only 1 or 2 people saw it.
Damn.
Good to see that majority of you saw it.
Okay. Well, I got that. Still down $300.
The
There's
long
that loss. So now let's see what type of that was the total suit. That was a fake out. I got faked out there.
I'm gonna outline the setup. Okay, I'm gonna tell you if I'm gonna take it or not. At the end of that, it comes down to you. Okay, if you see that setup working or not.
Okay, we got
That's why I
SMT.
always tell you guys to think with an independent mind, okay? Me, I'm not God, okay? I'm not gonna have 100% win rate. I'm not gonna, sometimes I do mistakes like that I can avoid. So if you have experience behind you, if you're learning,
SMT.
you can easily
It's
avoid these
here.
and like take the setups that align with
No,
me,
this.
right? Very, very nice one here as well. From 5-minute inversion, there was a 5-minute Trevally gap. Yeah, there was another 5-minute inversion.
I don't know. Okay. So we sweat that. We got a big SMT.
Nice one.
We got huge SMT. So we got boom. Like I think here. So big bullish SMT. Let's see if we get a reversal around this area.
So we delivered below our previous daily low. Do we have a SMT yet?
Got a daily SMT. And I'm going to hunt for longs now. We took out that objective. I'm looking for a 50% retracement of this leg. And this leg right here, at least up to 1900. So I'm looking for a breaker. Looking for one leg here, another leg lower.
I did call the winning trade, right? I did call
Let's see if we get it.
partial trade up here with a stop loss management and break even. I also outlined where I did mistake. I also told you that I'm not gonna take this short. I outlined when price activated the setup with a stop loss, with a fixed target. What are you complaining about, GMAP? If I was not violating my rules up here, I would have taken this trade.
I'm gonna go in heavy here.
Order filled.
It does matter,
And
and I told you
take
those
out
who want me to share
10.
my losses on Twitter, it's not your freaking Twitter, it's
And
mine.
let's do
I never share my losses because that's where
this
the
5
best
minute
learning
165.
happens, okay? The losses are where you learn most. Why did I took this loss? Because I violated the
16.
rules. I didn't wait for price to close the body above,
No,
and
let's
you
do
learn from it. I made a mistake. I didn't hide it from you. I told you learn from it. I'll find the next trade. It comes down to you, okay?
Order working.
All the time, be an independent trader. If you rely on anybody, it can be the god of the trading. You will
So
never
I
be
mean, we have that
consistently
now.
profitable,
5,
okay?
3.
Me, my
These are
trading
2,
goes with
8.
my character. My rules goes with my character, okay? What I see on chart as high probability, I'm gonna engage with that. If I don't see it, I'm not gonna engage. It's as easy as that.
I think we're gonna trace back up to this 5 minutes.
And I've been streaming for 1.5 years, and I have viewers since 1.5 years. So you can see that we are streaming long.
Yep, there it is.
Time. And it's not just like me.
Okay, let me
opening
see.
streams,
I want to see
my
this
first
order
one,
block.
I don't know anything, no.
Get past this order block. We got a breaker on
If you only follow rules. If you don't follow it,
on
it's not gonna
ES.
come. And I'm not
Let's
gonna
see it past this order block.
and
Perfect. I
trade,
want to see this
okay,
5
I'm
minute.
not gonna trade to please anybody. So if you think like it's not good, then it's probably not
5 minute inverse here. We got 2 minutes left. Beautiful. See the push up.
Alright, so probably they will do a reversal. Still no signature yet. Okay, just a aggressive return back. We'll have to drop down to the lower time frame.
Come on, let's have you trace up to. I want to see an order block. That's strong. That's strong displacement up. Once you hit this 930 FEG here on ES, I'm going to be careful and probably take profits here. So let's see here. Waiting for this to hit. Beautiful. And then move south to break even.
Also, like if you wanna spread negativity, then please don't, because for me, the best strategy, my most important strategy in trading is psychology. And if someone is like complaining and I see that, then sometimes, you know, I'm a human being. I feel to trade to
You want
please
to see this
people, and
busy
whenever I
hole?
do that, that's so like not good for trading. So me,
Oh,
I
no,
wanna
it's not
be
what I
in
see.
my lane. That's why I never engage in troll. It ruins the psychology. As a human being, you will always wanna be like trying to uphold yourself, promote your, boost your ego, all those stuff. And this is
Okay, I
not
want to
good
see
for
this become
trading
an order
because
block.
ego is so freaking bad for trading. You can never refer to yourself as the best trader.
There
If
we
you
go.
do
If that
that
becomes an
only,
order block, that's going to
you guys
become a
know it.
propulsion
Market will
block.
humble yourself. The moment you
And
feel you are performing better than someone, that's the moment market
this
is gonna
might be a
come to you
15
and you will
minutes.
blow an account. I feel I've seen that. I've seen streamer doing that, like trying to trade to please the viewers and compete with other people. No, a big
Let's
freaking
see
no. If you
here.
don't like my trading
Perfect.
style,
Just
it's
got this.
okay.
Target's going to hit.
You probably will like someone else,
And
but I hope you get the point, you know.
Order filled.
boom. Target
And
hit.
also like
Let's do
amazing
so
decision for
here.
Order working.
Stop
right.
below this
So
order block.
again,
I think
again,
this should be a
at the end
propulsion
of the day,
block. We
I'll
should
have
just
to have like a good psychology to make a
blast right
decision
up
because
here.
so many other
And
people are
I'm going to
executing
see
with
if
me.
we
And
can
if my psychology is not good, then 200 people are gonna
hit.
lose money. So you can see
Um,
that why my loss is gonna be a greater loss if my psychology is not good. And here it was not good. I was impulsive. Okay, look at that. They've turned. They have an inversion. Okay, 1026.
see here. We have a potential 15-minute CRT play here. But let's see.
They never retested this one.
I want to
Do you guys see
see.
SMT? I don't see SMT. There's no SMT yet, right? Okay, well, there's no SMT yet.
See this breaker hold. I want to see this propulsion block work and just
I think
like
they're
blast
just
us
on top
up.
right now. I think we're done for the session, you know. After like look at this. We have been trending
Let's
since
see.
London
This
session.
is
We
50%
had
right about
no
here.
time distortion at all.
So
No
maybe final
consolidation phase, and we
TP.
delivered 200 points.
Order working.
I feel like we're gonna chop. Also, if you wanna see why I'm telling that we can chop, now
Nah, I think we're
because of
not
the
going to chop. I
journals
think
that
we're
I
gonna.
have, okay,
This is
my
going to be a
journals,
propulsion
I go
block
through
right
them
here.
so many
We
times.
should
So
just blast right up.
always stays in my mind.
V-shaped
Where is this
recovery.
bullet journal? Okay, here. Now I think we have example
And
here of that chop.
yeah, I think we should. This should be a propulsion
Yes,
block right
this
here.
is the example.
We got a.
London session.
We got another order block, so we
Same
should
exact price action. Look at
inverse
that.
this.
That's why journal,
SIBI.
having journal is so freaking important. See, I opened the chart and opened
Do we have a little
exactly the same one
SMT?
because
Did this close below? What are these lows?
I went through this journal so many times, and I remember like if I see something like this on chart, and S price
These are
does
equal lows on
repeat,
ES. Okay.
if you can go to this day, go there and you will see this is the
We
London
got a big
session,
gap
and
here.
this
We
is
might
the
fill
after
all the way up to this.
10 o'clock.
I think this would be a good
And
target
here
right
I
here.
think we're gonna do this.
I think I'm gonna take one off there.
What did I wrote here? Let me download this and open it for you.
Order cancelled.
Take off one off here.
Order
We're
working.
gonna come against right up against this bearish breaker, so we'll get some resistance. I'll take one TP right there, and that's right about OTE of this leg. So it's 50% of this leg. This current leg
What do you see?
is the current range we're dealing in,
Large range, previous
and
band
then
for 10,
I'll aim
20,
for if we're
So
truly bullish.
you can see the
I'm
low
sure
resistance
that might be a low
distribution
day. I'll
throughout
aim
the
for
whole AM
freaking
session.
London up here.
Now you don't see the
That's
rest of
high.
the
That's
stuff in
all-time
this
highs
picture,
again.
but price was basically trending since
I
London
don't think
session.
we're gonna go up there because I think Thursday
AM
already
session,
hit
sorry,
high day.
8:30. See, we don't have
So
any
what's
reversal at
50%
8:30.
of this range?
No reversal at 9:30.
50% of this range up
Continuation
here.
until 10:30.
So
That's
I
what
think
we
my
did
final
right now.
TP will be above this.
Continuation until 10:30.
Be
We
above
reversed
this
that
high right
very
here.
likely. We're gonna
Order
do-
working.
We're only gonna do this. Also,
Yeah,
I
so I'm in a free
screenshotted the
trade,
higher time frame. Is it
and
similar
I
to
think we're gonna
our
hit
daily
50%
chart?
of the daily range, the current daily range. We have Thursday probably high of the week
So, very likely
at
we're gonna
London
do this
up
first.
here,
If I'm gonna trade, I'll do this in
and
here.
Friday we could either chop around or dump a little bit lower. So let's take a look at this weekly range. Yeah, so we just, that might have been the wick, excuse me, that we created on the week.
If you look at the 4-hour chart, you
But,
can see
um,
a nice AMD.
Yeah, so we'll see. Let's see here. I want to look at the 1 hour. So we got a okay. So I like this.
4 hour, let me see.
We got a soup here, soup up. Then we got a soup here. Soup these lows.
Yes, very nice market.
Soup here, and I want to see
Sell
us
model
come back
high.
up. We're in a big hourly BISI's. BISI's not failed. Could be in a sell model. Let's see if we retrace up here. See what the 50 minutes looking like. Could be 15-minute CRT play right here. And 15-minute soup here. We souped that. And then we souped that. We souped this low. I'm pretty confident in this, that we'll at least hit here, and then I think I might move my, if we get past this breaker,
They will very, very likely keep
then
price inside this fair value gap.
yeah, I'll just leave it there.
As I showed you, as
This
a short,
might be a manipulation
they will ideally
leg.
keep this inside
We
there,
manipulated in the
inside this fair value gap for now.
third 90-minute cycle. And potential AM will get continuation. At least I think till 245, because that's 50% of the daily range. I think we're gonna at least hit up there.
Time to stop watching your trades. I can't
So,
believe I
we'll
paid
see.
for your. I
Cool.
can't
So
believe
beautiful. This
I
thing's
have
working
a
out.
viewer like you here. Please stop watching
Um,
me. That person lost all of his profit in one trade.
I think we're gonna head up to
That's
this
a poor
breaker,
example
just
of
at least this
mismanagement.
5 minutes.
Poor example of
Could inverse
accountability.
this
So
5-minute CB, that becomes an inversion.
if you blow your
Let's
account in one
CE
trade,
of
there's
this
something gotta be wrong with your system or your risk management.
CE of this,
We have
15
breaker here,
minutes.
so a 5-minute breaker, right?
and
I see no long for now, but this 5-minute breaker probably will show us something.
this is gonna be a hard target up here. I think we need to violate this 15-minute CB. This might be immediate rebalance though, so once it hits this level of 199, my TP, then it might immediately rebalance and go lower. So we'll see. Or it might immediately rebalance and just chop around and then push higher. So let me see what happens here.
I'm gonna stick with this 5-minute chart. Now, this is not a breaker on 5 minutes, right? But we have this on 1-minute chart as a breaker.
So cool, CP is gonna hit. Okay, so that was a great entry, little soup entry. Did like that, previous day lows, soup that, and we should hit here. Seems to inverse this 930 FVG on ES. If we inverse this, that'll be a really good sign that we're gonna head back up. Getting some resistance in this big,
I think
bearish
they're
breaker on
probably gonna
ES.
show us a resistance from here. Look
so
at
if
that.
we inverse that, that's a really good sign.
Fair value gap at day premium, right? And if I measure this dealing
Yeah.
range
There's a big bearish breaker
from
on
this
ES.
high, wait,
I wanna see us violate.
yes, from this high to the low, the OTE is also coming. This is the premium. OTE 0.6279 is also
See
coming
here.
inside.
We're still inside this macro.
Recently, we have seen price respecting
1030.
quite a lot. So I'm
Here we
interested
just
in a short.
We just
at
hit
1050,
50%
let's
right
see
there.
If they wanna give it to me, I feel like that's a suspect buy. It looks suspect to me. I don't think like this one will take us
Hmm.
up at this high.
Okay, so
Probably
ES
not.
rebounced this 15-minute SIBI here. I need to see a displacement above on ES to see more
You
bullish
guys are
prices.
funny. Yeah, we focus on our trading, folks. That's what we do on stream. I don't criticize others. You will never see me criticizing others. I criticize me. I always put myself accountable for my mistake. And if you are not, then probably it will take either 5 to 10 years to make it in trading, or
I want to see this order block
never
hold
do it.
on ES. Come on, hold. Inversion, hold on ES.
Do they have a SMT? Like I feel like they're gonna continue going lower rather than tapping into this gap. Probably they have a SMT. Let me check it with ES. I
Okay.
feel like we are taking more trades. If we did 9 trades inside backtesting
So
session,
this
then
order
we
block's
did
still
3
holding on
trades. We
ES,
have
which
like
is
3
good.
trades
That's what I'm
already
looking
today,
for.
right? We'll
Come
have
on,
to
don't
limit
close
ourselves,
below.
folks. We gotta have to see less trades on charts and only the high probability ones, right?
Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this 5-minute. I want to see this 5-minute really reach
I'm
up
gonna wait.
there.
I'm not gonna go for a short, even though I don't see any SMT. So I'm gonna wait for price to tap into the gap here from 5-minute chart, and this a rejection from here looks more high probability for me, to me, rather than expecting it from here. So something
Let me
like
see this
this
order
will
block
interest me
hold.
again. But
Come
we'll
on,
also
order
have
block.
to see if price wanna chop. Okay, there's journal says us that we can chop.
Yep, perfect.
And it's looking
Hold that
pretty
order
much
block.
like our journal from here.
Hold this order block. We gotta close above the midway of this SIBI, so that's good. It's a good sign that we're gonna head up higher. I think we're gonna head up higher to rebalance this SIBI to that 199 level. I'm gonna put it right below. A couple ticks just to make sure I get filled.
If I could only follow my rules like you do, only taking one
And
trade per
then-
macro and max 2 losses per day, I would be so much better. See, that's what I'm preaching. This guy
41.
trading for 7 years, and trust me, if you are following rules, that's the only thing that will shorten your
Okay,
journey.
this is a
Okay,
this
if
could
you're
be a
not following
15-minute
rules, it's like
CRT play. So
Today I wanna win. Tomorrow I wanna win. Next day
15-minute
I wanna
CRT play right here.
win. No.
Boom.
It will take
Look,
so
we
much
got-
time.
we'll hit
Trust
TP1.
me,
I mean,
quit
TP
my
was
job
my
once
second
I
TP.
was like trading 2 years. Once I had
TP1
2
was
years
here.
experience,
Just scalped
2.5.
that
Very,
at
very much
164.
possible for you to progress faster.
And
Only thing that you
yep,
need
we're
to
gonna
do
hit
is
that
follow the
there.
rules strictly,
Let's see ES inverse
protect the
this
capital, and you're only
930
gonna be able to do
FAG.
that if you are limiting yourself with less trades. And our backtesting sessions are a perfect example of that. Those who haven't went through the backtesting session, I haven't deleted it, and you won't appreciate until you
Yeah.
watch it. Okay, we'll see why I
Watch.
always
We're gonna hit this
put so much into
order
the
block
backtesting
supporting
session.
price.
Those
Beautiful
are like
sign.
lectures, okay, because we have live trade, we explain them, all that
Beautiful
stuff. we
sign
see
there.
them
Order
on
block
higher
supporting
time frame.
price.
So go through them, you will enjoy it, and you will see that this will also train
Damn,
your
this
eyes
FAG
to
is holding
believe
us
in
down.
long-term
Come on.
result.
There's like a couple
Still
ticks
we
away
haven't
from
traded into
hitting
this.
my target.
This is where we're gonna
So I
look
need
for
the
a
order
SMT,
block continue to
okay?
hold.
I think we have a SMT already.
Come
Yes, we
on.
have one with ES already. Look at this. ES failed to go above this high at 1032. Nasdaq already did that.
I'm gonna try my stop here.
Dow very likely will reverse from here. See, Dow has our A plus also profile 1 scenario. When we have liquidity in both sides, what do we do in markets? You can see we wait for price to forge in one direction and then move to the other direction, right? Reverse.
Come on.
We also have
So I don't like this
here. If
BPR.
Dow is
This
reversed,
tiny little BPR.
what can we
on
expect
ES.
on
I'm gonna see
Nasdaq?
displacement up and
go
we're just
lower,
outside the
right?
macro time,
We
so
have targets on
then we're
ES.
just chopping around.
This relatively equal low is we have it.
Come on, hit my target.
Do we have signal for reversal? We have a SMT. Does Dow indicating that it can reverse? Yes. So pretty much every scenario aligning. Let's see if, I hope they're not doing any high resistance, folks. Again,
Okay,
I've told you, you guys saw high resistance.
I need to see this little
that
tiny
it's not gonna
BPR
work.
invalidated in this 930 FEG on
So
ES.
1040, right? Very likely they will do the reversal at 1050 to 1110 inside this macro.
I don't know what Hydra's talking about. This is the SMR right here. Right here, this is low. I think this might be low day. Oh no, come on. Don't do that to me. Come on. Hit my target. Okay. I'm gonna see this order block hold. And these two order blocks, I'm gonna see hold. We got a 5-minute inversion. That's a good sign. Just kind of
We
creeping
also
up.
generated some stops here, right? These relative equal lows.
This 5-minute inversion is holding us
Do
down.
you have another screenshot from your journal showing you that it previously did what you would like to
Price
see
is balanced on
it do
ES,
here?
so that's why we're
We'll
kind
have
of
to
just
go through
chopping.
it. I have so many. Let me see. Okay, let me see.
Man.
Nice point, Barkis. Let me find out.
Stay
To me, it
patient.
looks like new. If I have
And OB,
seen something,
see if this
like
OB
I
is still
remember
holding.
it
It's a
right
good
away.
sign.
Let me go through the journals. Do you guys want me to release them 1 year of journal like the way I did here
Come on.
of 10 to 11 a.m. Only 1 hour. Only 1 hour of journal, and that will be the game
There we
changer.
go.
Like if you have 1 hour of
Come on.
pictures like this,
There we
telling you
go.
what to expect.
There we go.
Every possible
Come on,
scenario
NQ,
like
hit
that.
it. You know you
Why
wanna.
are you guys
You
not
know you
doing
wanna
that?
feel it.
That's the first question that I'm gonna ask you.
You
Why
know
are
you
you
wanna
not
feel
doing that?
this.
When you know it's so beneficial, right? Come on, folks. You have to be hardworking in trading to see some result, right?
Okay, now they're
And if you do it on
ES
your
going
own,
down, NQ
you
going
will
up.
remember what you did. Okay, if you are looking at mine, you are
It's
probably
low
not gonna
probability
remember
conditions right
those
now.
stuff.
I think I
I
might.
remember, I can easily recognize the scenario because I did that myself, and I spent so much time doing this. Look at that. I outlined every single scenario, countless hours, folks. Go do it 1 month, do it 1 week, and you will see what I'm telling you. And here I was not trading, I was only journaling what price did. So let me see if I can find out one setup. And I think I already see a similar structure, but I think with
Okay, we'll check this
this,
out.
but not so
SMT.
accurate. Do you see the
Price is
similarity?
just balanced on
This is what
ES, that's
1050
why.
macro did.
But it's not on
1020
NQ.
macro worked as a
NQ
continuation,
should
right? So no reversal here as well. 1020
push
worked
up
as
a little higher to fill
and
fill
we had
this,
a breaker.
to balance out this,
Where's that? Yes, see that? We had a inversion
to balance out this
as well as a
15-minute
breaker. So
SIBI.
do you have something like this on today's now this
Come
move
on,
looks
hit it.
similar. They don't have any stop hunt, see that? And same thing here, we are generating relative equal lows, but we're not doing any stop hunt.
There we go.
We
There
did
we
no
go.
stop hunt. Let
Here
me
we see if go.
I can find
All right.
like exact
TP2 is gonna hit here,
scenario.
and then I'm gonna move my stop above these. Come on.
The one that makes sense to me, right? I already showed
Oh
it
my
to
gosh,
you.
come on, it's taking forever. Hit my target.
And I found another one. Okay, wait. Yeah, so here's another journal. Looks pretty similar to the price action from today. no reversal. You can see 950 high.
Order blocks
but
holding
a little
price
bit
up.
different. We are not trending here. We had
We're just
more
chopping
higher
around,
resistance,
high
price
resistance
action.
liquidity run.
But if you look at 1050 macro, we did nothing after
We
extraction
should
at 1020.
pump back up,
So
and
every single
order blocks
screenshot that
are
I'm
holding
opening
here.
says me that we are
I
done
want
for
to see
the
this
day.
930 FEG violated. There we go. There's that pump. Come on, ES. This is,
I feel like we're done for the day because
yeah, it's
I can't
balanced.
find a similar scenario on my journal.
Come on.
Looks very, very
There we go.
similar. I think 80% similar to this,
Come on, let's see it.
right? Very 80%. Yes. Look at look at these lows. Compare them with.
Oh my gosh, this
What we
930
have
FEG
here.
on ES is the one that's giving us resistance.
Let me see what we did in August.
There we go. Come on, hit it. Oh, just high resistance could we run.
Screenshot that I'm opening is telling me a continuation higher. Same thing on this one. Now look at the time, folks. Okay, you'll have to see 1050 to 1110. You can see we have a reversal, but no rejection lower. So let's wait. Okay, nothing is 100% on chart, so price can still offer us.
I'm feeling impatient. I think I might take one off
So I'm
here.
gonna wait. This is the last macro we'll be looking for a setup.
And if we don't get it, okay. Soup to those lows. Let's see if we pop back up. After we soup those lows, SMT, and let's see if we get immediate rebalance here. This is 50%. Dang it.
Is Discord the best way to journal? Yes. Discord is the best way to journal. Let me show you an example. Now this is our mentorship group, okay? Here you can see that I wrote silver bullet strategy, right? You can open a category named macro, and the right
Come on,
way to
order block,
journal
hold
is
for
hour
me.
by hour, okay? If you are journaling only your winning trades, that's a journal that will never ever help you. Okay, you will have to journal the chart.
Nope. Okay.
That's what journaling means.
I think I'm gonna take it off here if we fill in
The
this
best way to
city
do it on
again.
Discord is free. We can every screenshot. If you are posting them one by
Come
one,
on,
they
dang
will
it.
be one by one. They will not be like randomly. So you can see that Discord's the best way to do it. Even if you miss a trade, it doesn't matter. Better than hanging in front of the screen all day for a maybe. Yes, Marcus. That's a very, very strong fact that Marcus said. I hope, I wish every one of you understand that. It will improve your trading so much. Understood, thanks, Hyder, you are welcome. Javier, do you reply Discord TM? Would like to give you my background and apply to mentorship. Javier, mentorship is closed right now, so I'm probably not gonna do another mentorship. I'm not so good at those, you know. And me, I'm good at streaming, teaching with live price action. But if you want, you can check out our 2023 workshop, 2024 workshop. As a beginner, you can go through 2023 workshop. Is it looking similar to what I showed you?
It's choppity chop chop. Choppity chop. Come on, fill this. Give me this. Yes, creating lower lows. I want to see a push with NQ here. Come on.
Order filled.
Okay, and I'll take my last TP off here.
Failed?
Order cancelled.
Why?
Order working.
take that off too early. It's okay. I'm just gonna leave it. And I'll probably be done, guys. For this inverses, that's a good sign.
Okay, so Javier, you can email me. I'm gonna write
So
my
locked in
email. That's
1500.
and those who wanna
Hey, buddy.
contact with me, if you are
You wanna play?
DMing me, you will never get a reply because I get a lot.
Okay, let's play. Alright, guys, I'm out. Done for the stream. I'll just let this play out. See you guys next time. Subscribe, notifications, give a like if this helped you guys. Helps algorithm out, all that fun stuff. And hopefully you caught some good trades and didn't lose like I did. So.